A mouse and frog were friends. Every morning, the frog would hop out of his pond and go to visit his friend who lived in a hole in the side of tree. He would return home at noon. The mouse delighted in his friend's company, unaware that the friend was slowly turning into an enmity. The reason the frog felt slighted because though he visited the mouse every day, the mouse on his part had never made an attempt to visit him. One day he felt he had been humiliated enough. What is was time for him to take leave of the mouse. He tied one end of a string about his own leg, tied the other end to the mouse tail, and happened away, dragging the helpless mouse behind him. The frog dived deep into the